give them uniforms to come in disguise as soldiers to start killing us. I want to tell every Biafran all over the world, nobody is afraid to die. Nobody is afraid to die. The time has come for every Biafran to pick up arms. We shall pick up arms. Blood for blood.
Yes, sir.
God for God.
Yes,
fire for fire. You, the boy from NDLE, the drug enforcement that shot our boy, wait for us.
Yes, sir.
I am not hiding my face because I'm not Boko Haram. Cowards are the ones that cover their face. Look at my face very well. Nobody's afraid of dying. But I'm telling you that I personally will come down to get you. IPOB! IPOB!